In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on options in Robinhood step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap the search icon and find the option contract you already own, or go to your portfolio and tap your options position. Once you're on the contract page, tap Trade, then select Sell to start setting up your exit order. On the order screen, look for order types and tap on it. Choose stop price or stop limit, depending on your preference. Enter the stop price where you want the order to trigger. If you choose stop limit, also enter the limit price you're willing to accept. After that, select the number of contracts you want to sell. Review all the details carefully, then tap Review and finally submit to place your stop loss order. Keep an eye on your order status, as it will only execute when the stop price is reached. That's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.